Howdy guys, welcome to another vlog, the Keep It and Reet. Today we're doing our first public event down at Quarter Park, so pretty stoked as we've sold out our 1,000 cap, and I'm going to send it. I've got a couple of tyres there, just a couple. Going to blaze them. They're actually testing a couple of tyres for Battle Royale, which is next month, our first competition round. And yes, tonight we're running the DCA layout. So I don't think this layout's been run for quite a while. We've got about 5,000 light towers you can probably see behind there, and it's going to be lit up like hell. We've even added like an extra wall, have to go through that. We've changed a little clipping point. I think it'll just flow real nice. We've got Freestyle Kings doing back flaps and chat. Ride with a pro, I'll be doing some rides. Got some brand new merch, Dan.
Ooh,
check it out.
Fancy.
Ricky Lee's all set up. It's going to be a busy night. This is the quiet before the storm right now. And I'm G. We're drawing the LS Ranger. We're currently using that to put out light towers at the moment. And we've got the R32 giveaway as well here. So yeah, live draw, halftime show. We've got DJ, got lights, got food trucks, show and shine, got everything. If you haven't been to one of these events, you're missing out. You should come down. If you live in another state, you should move down here just so you don't miss out, or fly down. One of the two. Anyway, hope you enjoy. Before we get into our night, we're just doing some quick testing on some different layouts for Battle Royale. This is one I had in mind that hasn't been done for competition as such, or even not many people do it even on practice days. Like, yeah, they say in this corner, but don't really tandem and whatnot. But it reminds me a lot of like a Mayhan entry sliding along the wall, like really flicky transition. So I wanted to test. I've only ever really done it in a second. I want to try to do like third and really slide along the wall. These tyres and all that don't really help because like you'd want to be sliding almost off the wall and coming wide, whereas where they are, it makes you come in and almost cut the grass here. But I wanted to have it so you have maybe like a clipping point, a couple meters off the grass, up there, come in third, really slide along the whole wall, door on doors, and then a nice tight. I was even thinking of putting like concrete bank like a couple of meters back off, even potentially to run, but it's a bit sketchy if you're sending it third.
Water barriers, unfilled water
barriers.
You
could do water barriers, maybe like 1.5 meters off the ideal line. Like you could sort of keep it out wide when people wash out, but then have it cut in so it becomes a sort of clipping point at the end there, like where you got to ride wide and all the way up to the top of the bank, and then probably use water barriers to chicane again and snap down to the grass to sort of promote door-on-door driving. But the awesome thing is, if you run it here, you can obviously be right up and close to the action. So you can have just a little meter gap for spectating, and then you could put a grandstand there. So you're literally watching everyone enter on the corner. And we could also put, because if we put water barriers there, that's counted as enough safety, and you put like 2 layers of water barriers. You could put another grandstand on the actual track, so you're watching them come towards you, which would be gangster. And obviously the other side, where all the chat seats are that have not been sat in 5,000 years. It's funny, people sort of, I've mentioned it to people before and they're like, it's only one corner, it's boring as, like who wants to do one corner? FD layout's 2 corners, so shut your ass. But really, you're making it sort of a couple of corners. If you're putting like chicanes, like, clipping points on different spots, it really does make it still a technical thing. And the main thing is it's like just gangster from door on door, and it's perfect for battles. Like you don't need multiple corners.
On FD layout, it's super tricky to run that wall up the high bank. There's not too many people can do it. So like this provides you with an opportunity to enter this fast, drag all the way along the wall. It's like, there's not really many layouts in Victoria at least where you can drag along the wall like that at speed. So
that's it. It's nice and flat. It's probably like the only flat part, Quarter Park.
What up? It's Josh Hunt here from the Freestyle Kings. We've got Ryan Brown, Jordan Sprague out here today. First show back since COVID. Stoked, keep it Reet's got us back again. Did a show in 2019 with these guys. It was unreal. We love working with drift cars. We're excited for tonight. Big crowd. Stay tuned.
Josh is going back off to get things ready because we're not far off the night starting. I and the Freestyle guys are almost ready. We just did one last little test of, it's like reverse DCA slash not really slash loopy thang. That's what it's called. That's the official name. But it's pretty cool. We moved the barriers down there. If you have a look down there, next to the race control tower there, we just moved some of the fencing. It's got like a little run up, just enough speed to scando along there, run the wall, keep it out wide. Pull the way around, and then onto the wall, and loop back up and around. I think it's pretty sick speed-wise for just someone staying on your door the whole time. It does blaze tyres a fair bit, as you might see, but it's cool, and I like that how it comes back around. The only thing that might be bad if you do have it come back is just for flow, like you only run a couple at a time, but that's not a problem for a competition day at all. They're pretty cool to watch. Yeah, it's good. I'm glad we can test this sort of shape so we get a bit of an idea of different things. You've got to mix it up. Can't get boring. FD layout every time. FD layout every time. I mean, it's sick, but we'll try and mix it up. So we've got the LS1 Ranger giveaway. All proceeds went to Ebisu Circuit. Pretty stoked on this one. If you don't know what this was, we did a $10 entry and puts you in the running to win this car. We converted to an LS1 V8, and yeah. And all proceeds we put towards Ebisu Circuit in Japan. It's pretty much the home of drift over there, and we managed to raise $9,360 to the cause. So pretty stoked on that. Round of applause towards that. So that's thanks to all you guys, and yeah, we're going to draw a lucky winner right now. So it could be someone in the crowd. Who out there put an entry in? Put your hand up. No one? Oh, okay. Well, there you go. You need to get amongst it, boys. All right, shall we get into this draw? What do you reckon? Get up close, live stream boy. I think this winner wants to be able to see their name pulled out. Alrighty, and I just need to get a phone ready to my lovely assistant, Daniela. Alright, spin this baby up. You got the key?
Yeah, I'll take it out.
Spin that ass, boy. That's too much spinning. Alright, my second lovely assassin, do you want to grab a name out for me? Yee.
Stupid lifted ranger.
Grab a name, any name. Lucky winner. Are they going to be in Victoria? Going to be bloody. What do you reckon? Alright. What state have we got?
Vic.
Oh, another Vic. Everyone's already raging. They think we've rigged it in Vic. Alright, so I'm going to read that ass out. So, massive congratulations to the Victorian winner. First name starts with the letter M, and their second name starts with the letter O. So that's a mad congrats to Matthew Oliver. Everyone booing in the crowd like you were going to win. We got Matthew Oliver. Congrats. Are you on the live stream? everyone shouted. We'll give him a call right now. Hold with us 1 second. We'll get his live reaction. Probably has no idea what happened. Let's see if this works.
My phone might die.
Hello.
Or Ian.
Can everyone hear that? Hello? G'day, mate. This is Jason from Reet. Have you got any idea why I might be calling right now?
Oh, no.
You just wake up from a nap.
Oh, keep it Reet, yeah.
So I've got some pretty cool news for you.
Yeah.
You are the winner of the LS1 Ranger giveaway. Congratulations. That's the ticket. So we've seen you from Victoria as well. How come you're not down at our Friday night drift event? What's going on there, mate?
Because I'm in Queensland on a holiday, but I'm stuck here because of the flood.
We'll send up a nice lifted LS1 Ranger for you to drive home, mate.
I'll be back next week. That's awesome.
Spot on. Well, I'll be in contact, but massive congratulations on winning this beast, and she'll be ready for you back down here in Vic. Hopefully you get home safe.
Oh, thank you, mate. Thank you.
No worries, mate. Speak to you soon. Oh, well, there it is. Once again, absolutely stoked to have the opportunity to, give this mad donation and to a great cause for them to get the track up in Japan, back up and running. If you don't know the situation, there was a massive earthquake up there, and it heavily affected the track. It was a 7.3 magnitude earthquake or something. There was a huge landslide that went over one of their main circuits. And they don't have insurance over there because they have earthquakes and stuff all the time. So everyone sort of come together all over the world because it's pretty much everyone's favourite place to go, or the drifters must go place. So yeah, I think we've just gone over the $100,000 mark in donations. So it's amazing, and yeah, we're stoked to be able to give the $9,000 towards the cause. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys, and enjoy the rest of your night.